Hello, this is Nemo with Passion of Persia, and right now I'm just showing you basically the process of repairing a slit on a fine tabriz. The knots per square inch is roughly, I would say, 50 Raj, which is Perusian quality. The Persian family is a famous Persian master weaver family in Tabriz. Here at Passion of Persia, our repairs are museum quality. So we literally do it the same way the original master weaver did it. So sometimes we have to manipulate the rug and beat it down, as you saw Serkan do. Serkan is a Turkish master weaver, as you can see. His work is extraordinary. And here at Passion of Persia, only master weavers will repair your rug. Please find us on Facebook. All you have to do is search for Passion in Persia. Please like us. The URL is facebook.com/Passion of Persia Rug Repair. That's facebook.com/Passion of Persia Rug Repair. Or visit us at our own site, which is www.passionofpersia.com. And at the bottom of the page is an online form. We serve the nation. Fill that online form out and we'll get back to you as soon as we can. Usually within 24 hours. Or if you wish, you can call 602-374-6973 and talk to Sarah, our shipping manager, and ask how we can restore your fine rug. This 10 by 14 rug was sent to us out of state, and shipping was very inexpensive. I believe it came from Texas. I believe it was around $60. This rug is easily worth $15,000. You know, we can also do Turkish rugs, and we can also do Navajo, and doesn't matter if it's tapestries. It doesn't matter what it is. If it's a textile, we can even do it. We have even done wedding gowns before, antique wedding gowns. We really don't do alterations or anything like that, but because it's not unique. But if there's a hole in the fabric, we can fix that usually. Serkan has been weaving since he was a child, around 6 years of age, and his technique is very, very good. It's very strong, and the look of it is very good as well. So we're glad to have Serkan as one of our master weavers.